Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and report a Craigslist listing or ad that you want to go ahead and report. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you have not already by going to craigslist.org right here. That's going to open up this main page. From this home page we can go ahead and take a look at all the categories that we can use for browsing items. So now what we want to do is go into the upper right corner and go ahead and log into our account to be able to report a post. So if you do not already have one, just go ahead and log in by creating an account. So once you've created your account, this is what it's going to look like, the same home page. But now let's go and take a look at how to report the post. Let's say you have found a post right here in any of the categories that you want to go ahead and report. It's going to look like this. You're going to be able to click on it to access it. Now we can go and follow the article right here on Craigslist on how to report scams. You're going to go ahead and flag posts and flag emails that are scams. So how you can do is go ahead and either go ahead and report to the US Federal Trade Commission if you are in America or in the US, or you can just go ahead and open up the ad right here, go and take a look at the information from this ad and then click the flag option right here at the top of the screen. By clicking flag, this is going to enable you to go ahead and report it as something that is spam and so on. As you can see, flagging is going to enable you to go ahead and report anything you want to flag. And just like that guys, this is going to go enable you to report any post that you think is breaking a rule. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.